Hello dear traders, welcome back again to our channel and thank you so much for visiting our channel. So in this video we are discussing about how to select stocks. Okay, so before starting of month or any time, right, intraday or swing trading, you can use same strategy to select stocks, which I am going to discuss about that in this video. Okay, so the thing is, in initial days I also used to use charting for like a scanners basically for selecting the stocks, but that is not at all giving good amount of stocks to me. And then I started drawing patterns like a triangle pattern and channel pattern on the plain chart, okay, without any help. And then I realized this is what actually price action and this is what we need to do. So we'll discuss about it in this video. So before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please kindly do subscribe. If you are liking this video or our other contents, right, please kindly come back to our video. Please let me know in comment below so that like it's a kind of motivation for me. Okay, so please kindly do needful for me. And let's see, we'll discuss about our selection of stocks in this video. Let's discuss about it. Okay guys, so in this video we are going to discuss about selection of stocks, how we select the stocks for intraday or swing trading. So method is same, okay, for both intraday or swing trading. Method is same. Basically what patterns we are following channel pattern and triangle pattern, right? And the thing is our trend line. So these are the things which are like needed for this selection of stocks, okay. And now we'll see one by one each stock. The thing is, I already shared one watch list in our description in all the videos. So just import this watch list into tradingview.com. Basically I am using tradingview.com for the drawing chart like these patterns and analyzing the stocks. So just import the stocks here, whatever you have, all the stocks I discussed, like I shared in watch list, right? Just import here and just go through each stock where you are feeling that opportunity is there, right? Just go for that opportunity. Don't forcefully go for any other trade, okay. So we don't need to trade only single trade or a specific trade, right? Like I am in a favor of HDFC Bank, so I will trade only HDFC Bank. Doesn't matter that giving me opportunity or not. No, go through all the stocks. Like almost we have 200 stocks. Go through each stock. At least you will get 9 to 10 opportunities. Believe me guys, at least you will get 9 to 10 opportunities if you go through all the stocks. And out of that we need to trade only 4 to 5 trades, and that's what giving all the money to us. So let's see, we'll go one by one. So 63rd moon, what I am seeing here I am seeing this pattern. Okay, let me draw. Okay, this one, and from here this one. Okay, so which pattern is this? As we discussed, this is a triangle pattern. So once this is breakdown or breakout happens, then we'll go for this trade. So this is the way we have to like go for that trade and the selection of this stock. Okay, and we'll go one by one. So here, right, if you want to go for next stock, just press on spacebar. If you press on a spacebar, right, it will give the like open the next stock whatever there in list. So this is the thing we need to use in our trading view basically. If you want like how to use effectively tradingview.com, please let me know in comment below so that like I will make one video how to use effectively tradingview.com for the analysis and what are the things we need to discuss and what are the things we need to like get to know about TradingView, about drawing patterns and how to use it. Okay, so here yeah, I already draw this trend line way back, so this is getting respected so many times, and then here breakout happen. Okay, so sorry, breakdown happen. So breakdown happen again, retest also happen, and after this fall, see guys. So once it breakdown happen, retested, after retesting, see guys, move. So it go 5% in how many days? In span of 10 days. That's what, right? So see, even though if you are following only trend line, that's also fine. But the thing is, try to follow channel pattern and triangle pattern. That will give good amount of money to you. Okay, so here what I am seeing here. Okay, let me draw this trend line here. One. Let me see from here. Okay, guys. So this one and this one. Okay. Okay. So see, guys, I am seeing channel pattern here. So what I will do, I will just put alert here. So if you right click and click on add alert, right, I will just try to create one alert. So see, alert has been created on this and you will see this symbol. So I'm just using this TradingView platform to keep alerts also, so I will get notification. So how will I get notification, right? If I will click on this, so there is like after crossing the trend line or what, and at what like expiration time, or at what time it should expire, and it will give the notification also like pop up, or it will send an email also, and also it will give notification app also. So whatever the TradingView app, right, there also we can get. And the custom message, whatever you want to give, you can give here. Once, like basically once breakout happen, please mm, alert me. So like that also we can give, and just save it, so that like we'll have that in our plate. So you don't need to watch it, right, again and again. This alert will give all the information to you. So this is what in coming in our like a paid version of TradingView. But you don't need to pay if you are going through the stock, or if you have time, right, just go through the stocks. The reason is I am using this alert system because sometimes I'm not getting time to watch these things, right. So that's the reason this alert is really helping me very promptly, so that like I don't need to wait for or go through all the stocks all the time continuously. Okay, so we'll see next stock. Okay, see here what I am seeing is, let me see. Okay, so see guys, here if you see this, okay, like this, maybe we can give a little bit down also, that's also fine. Okay, this one and this thing. Okay, so if you see this, right guys, so this channel pattern again. So again, this is channel pattern, right? So we are trading in between the channel pattern also, and we are trading a breakout and breakdown also. So see guys, here the it respected 1 2 3 times, and fourth time it came, it got rejected by huge wick, and second day also there is a selling pressure, and see there is a fall. So this is what it is, right? This is called as a reversal from this trend line. So how much move we got here? See, if you have entered here also from the reversal, see 8% guys in a span of 9 days. So that's what guys. So please kindly follow these things which are like we are discussing, right? Channel pattern and triangle pattern. These are the really most important things, because see guys, and also our indicator, right? Just try to put on indicator also and see if you are getting opportunity there. If you are getting opportunity, go for it. Okay, because this indicator, right, indicator itself is a price action. It's not like a lagging indicator. So other retail traders, right, whatever the indicator they are using, like a super trend or some oscillators or RSI, those are lagging indicators. So that not giving help to us. But this indicator is already about support and resistance zones, and that is nothing but price action. So what I am telling to you guys, whatever the indicator we have, right, that is the really awesome indicator. I already discussed about intraday and swing strategy, swing trading strategy, where I discuss about this indicator. So please kindly go for it. And also see guys, why I am selecting stocks in this way, right? If you go for scanners, right, like a chart link, there is we have a lot of scanners basically. If you search through that, right, that is not giving the accurate trades actually. So the way we want to get accurate trades, like based on our channel pattern or triangle pattern. So that's the reason I am telling guys, again and again I am telling, every video almost I am telling, just go for this watch list, go through 200 stocks, and select the proper trades which are really respecting the trend line and giving like a channel, forming like a channel pattern or triangle pattern, and break down things. When it close properly above, then go for that trade and trade it. So you don't need to have follow any other scanner or something. Just needs to go through your stock list. Just open tradingview.com. Just spend your time on this. Okay, so we'll discuss our next stock, ACC. Okay, here this one is actually you are saying, right, this I already traded basically. So this is 1 day, right? Let's see if we are saying anything on 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me see if there is anything on this. Hope you are able to see. Okay, now here what I am saying, see guys, if you see this, okay, this one and this one. Okay, so see, this is again sort of triangle pattern. So once this will breakdown happen, right, here, or a breakout happen, then I will probably go for that trade. So basically what I will do, I will just put a alert on this trend line, and then I will go for that. So basically that is what I am following, and that's the reason I am sharing these things, how we can select the stocks. See guys, you need to learn to draw patterns. See guys, when we are joining gym, right, we'll not get a body directly only for joining gym. We need to work hard, we need to do workout, we need to build the muscles. How? By lifting the weights, right? So same way, when we want to earn money from this trading market, so we need to learn about, we need to like learn like these patterns, and we need to start drawing this pattern on chart. That the thing we need to learn, and we After that only we'll make money out of the stock market. It's not like going to gym and yeah, you will directly get body. No, you have to work hard, doesn't matter what. Okay, if you, and the thing is, see, this stock markets, right, whatever the stocks you gonna learn by using these patterns or the strategies whatever we discussed, those are the things which are like you don't need to follow other things. If you follow these things, right, this is going to use in future also, 1 year, after 2 year, after 3 years. Same way we have to trade, but the thing is you need to spend some more time at initial stage. If you spend more time on initial stage, then you don't need to spend or don't need to lose or don't need to blow up your account in trading market. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. So we'll go for next trade. What is there? Okay, here is, I'm not seeing anything even on 1 hour time frame. Let's see on daily basis. Okay, daily basis. See, guys, here already this triangle breakout happened, and how much move is give after proper close out, actually close basically. Let's see, guys, 10% in a span of 7 days. So that is what it is, guys. So if you follow these things, right, drawing patterns and like trying to trade those, it will really give good amount of money, guys. So here I'm not able to see anything. If you see this one, okay, I'm not able to see here anything. Next stock, okay, what I'm seeing here. Okay, so here if I draw this like this way, okay, getting respected. Okay, so and here like this. Okay, guys, so this is also respected 1 2 3 times, and below trend line respected 1 and 2 times, right? So here what the thing is, we need to have at least maximum touch, that is more important. Okay, I already discussed about it. Maximum touches we required whenever we are drawing triangle pattern or channel pattern, so that will be having more reliable trade. Basically when we have that more touch, right, it will definitely go in the way we want it. So that's the reason I'm saying when you are trading, right, go for multi-confluence things. Multi-confluence basically the thing is we need to have more confirmations before entering into the trade. So just follow it and apply this indicator also if you are feeling useful, and because it's really giving a good amount of profit to me by using that indicator. And I already discussed about this, right, like what are the indicators and how we are using it. So just go through that videos and try to use it. Okay, so here we already discussed about it. So see, here also give a channel breakout, and after channel breakout, what is the move, guys? See, if you see from here also 18% 20% move, guys. So see, guys, the way I'm doing, right, see the way I'm doing whatever I discussed in previously also, right, 1 2 3 4, just draw the channel pattern or triangle pattern, keep alert on this trend line. Once this touches trend line, right, or crossover happens, it will give alert to your application or email, and also here pop-up will come. And once you get notified, right, just enter into the trade. Just see what is the close of that candlestick. Basically that candlestick should have proper close above the trend line. Otherwise don't rush into trade. Okay, wait for the 315 or 330, because if you run into trade before that, right, it might form weak and it will close below the trend line, and that time it may be reversed from there. So just be cautious about it and trade it accordingly. Okay, try to, okay, this one I'm not able to see anything. This we've already discussed here. Here also I'm not able to see anything. Let me see 1 hour time frame, or maybe 30 minutes if there is anything. Okay, guys, I'm not able to see anything here also. So let's see next stock, Janta Pharma. Okay, guys, see this I already draw. So this already breakout happened here. So see, guys, this triangle pattern, right? So if you go to 1 hour time frame, you will see more information about it. So basically see guys, so it get respected, right, multiple times. And here see, with the bull, like bearish candlestick, it closed below that trend line. So once this happens, right, just go into that trade at the close. Okay, not before that. So see, guys, this is a 2% in a 4 hour, basically in day. Basically in a day we got 4%, and that is huge profit, guys. So this is what it is, guys. So you need to follow these things, go one by one through each stock and just do your analysis. Doesn't matter for which you are doing, for intraday you are doing, or for what can I say, for swing trading you are doing just the same process you have to follow. This is what the stock selection process. If you go through the each stock, right, See guys, here also Apollo Hospital. So sorry, Apollo pipe. Here guys, see expansion channel. We already discussed about in our channel video, right? So see this expansion respected here. Once this breakout happened, right? So see guys, the move. So this is what it is. So this is the way we need to see guys, 18% move in a span of 8 days. So this is what the thing is guys. So you just start drawing patterns and start following like triangle pattern, our channel pattern. And if you feel free, use this indicator. See guys, here also indicator zone breakout happen, and also at the same time trend line breakout happen. So this is the very reliable trade because we confirm our indicator as well with our indicator as well. So this is called as a multi-confluence trade basically, so that this will give a profit for sure. Okay, and this will give a secure entry so that like will not lose money in this trade. So that is what it is. So this is about our basically like indicator also giving help, and this is how I am doing like selecting stocks. So there are so many stocks guys, so 200 stocks. If I go one by one, right, this is also like a very big list. So I think you got idea, right? What you're like I'm doing. So just follow these things of selection stocks. If you have any doubts, right, or any information you want from me, please comment below so that like I will get to know. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please kindly do subscribe to our channel so that like you will get most updated latest like updates, and also the notifications whenever we are making more like content on YouTube. Okay, so this is all about like how I do select stocks. Hope you feel this is interesting. If you follow these things, right, I am pretty much sure that like you are going to make money out of it very easily, because the thing is whatever we are doing, right, the patterns, channel pattern or triangle pattern, those are the patterns are the part of price action, and mostly people use support and resistance, but these things also getting respected very well, and these are giving very good amount of money to me. So please kindly follow these things, and once you start following, right, please come back to our video and please let me know how you are feeling about it. If you have any doubts, right, please kindly come back, comment below. I will definitely help you out so that like you will start moving on, like learning things about price action. Okay, and also one humble request guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please kindly do subscribe. And also if you are liking this content, right, please press like on these videos so that like it will be kind of motivation for me. Okay, so till then, thank you so much guys, and do take care of yourself.